Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand what is the meaning of Python literals. Literals are constant values that are directly written in the code. They represent fixed data and are assigned to variables or used in expressions. To understand this, let us go to this Visual Code. Here you can see we have stored multiple values in the variables in our previous session. So here you can see again x equal to y equal to z equal to 100. So this value 100 is known as the literal. There are different types of literals are there. Let us say the first is the numeric literal. Here num equal to 10. So this 10 represent the whole number and it is the integer literal. Pi equal to 3.14. So it is the numbers with decimal. So it is known as the floating point literal or the float literal. In the complex number, value stored is 2 plus 3j. So this number 2 plus 3j is known as the complex literal, which represents the real and imaginary part. String literal represent the text and are enclosed in single, double or triple quotes. Now, what is the meaning of that? Let us again understand with the example. As you can see here, we have stored the name equal to Python. We have stored it with the double quotes. Same way you can store string literals using the single or triple quotes also. So suppose I want to store hello in a single line. So I will type single underscore line being the variable name and within the single quote hello. So again this value hello is stored in the variable single line. But suppose I want to store string data in multiple lines, then we need to use the triple quotes. So suppose I want to store in multi-line, so keep the name of variable to be the multi-line equal to, we will use the triple quotes, provide triple quotes, hit enter, and now between these triple quotes you can type any of your required line. So let us type this is multi-line string. So here you can see we have stored the value in multiple lines using a single variable. So these are the three different approaches to represent a text using the string literal and that are enclosed in single, double or triple quotes. Next is the Boolean literal. Here you can represent true or false. So this value true or false represents the Boolean literal. Next is the collection literal. It is used for creating list, tuples, dictionary and sets. So again you can see here the value stored between the square bracket, round brackets and the curly brackets. These all are known as the collection literals. There is one more special literal is there and it is the non-literal which represents the absence of value. So suppose if I am storing data equal to none. So here none represents that there is absence of value in the variable data. So it is known as the special literal. I hope you got the idea what is the meaning of literal in the Python context. The variables in Python are dynamic in nature. It means if I am storing the value a equal to 10, so the current data type of variable a is integer. But next if I am storing a equal to within double quote hello, so now the data type of variable a is being string. So this is the beauty of using Python language and the easiness of using this Python language. So this understanding of variables and literals is crucial for building efficient Python programs. Variables act as a flexible container while literals provide a fixed data values. With this knowledge, you can efficiently store, manipulate or retrieve data in your further Python programs.